Now let's set up or dock the Xbox Series S console, pair it with your smart television, or you not have a smart television and you have a screen or a television with HDMI port, then this Xbox Series S can run on it. Yeah, we will need an HDMI cable, power supply cable. We will need a smartphone with the Xbox app while running. We will need a controller and the Xbox Series S. Included inside the start package is the Xbox, the controller, the HDMI cable, and of course the power supply. The first step is we have to download the app using Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Then start the Xbox app and we can start performing and connecting the Xbox Series S onto our flat screen. So everything is there. We are now going to our flat screen. In this case, it's a Samsung flat screen. It is a smart TV, okay? But you can also use every kind of television or monitors which contains an HDMI port. Here you can see on this television 1, 2, 3, 4 HDMI ports. We can choose by ourselves which HDMI port we're going to use. Now we have to dock in this HDMI cable onto this flat screen television in this case. That's the first step, and now we're nearly ready to enjoy the full Xbox Series S function. Let's go down now to the Xbox, and of course, we have to enter the power supply on it. First step, HDMI. We're going to the back side of the console. There we can see the network area. This is the upper dock. Then we can see two USB. Then we can see the HDMI. Then we can see the SSDI additional port. And on the bottom side, it is a power supply. Now you can see we are ready for connecting. Here we are. This is path. This is the local area network connection. But we are going to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi is the Xbox Series S included. No problem. But if you like to make a connection and using a path cable, then a patch cable, then use that there. And we can see two USB ports. For example, for additional storage by using USB stick or another SSD. Then we have the HDMI port. And this port is for our flat screen connection cable because with the HDMI there it comes the entire information will go from the Xbox to our flat screen television, for example. So dock it in there and we're nearly ready. There is only one right direction we can enter the HDMI port by using the cable. Of course, there's everything docked in? No, there is a power supply. The power supply you have to connect on the bottom side for get the power of the Xbox enabled by using electricity. Dock it in there, and then our rig is ready to have fun, to go to the next step. For setup option is the next thing, for example. So Xbox Series S is connected with our flat screen.